Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This one is a homemade pizza recipe. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed eating it. Remember to like and subscribe. Let's get you started.
I am happy if you are happy.
Oh, that's great, isn't it?
You will love it here.
To start this one, we're going to be mixing 3.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 sachet of instant yeast. That's roughly 2 1/4 teaspoons if you're using from a big tub. Give that a good mix, and then we're going to start adding in 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 1/3 cup of warm water. I'm going to fold that in and start giving it a good mix until it starts binding together to a nice dough. Once that's come together nicely, we're going to knead it for around 5 minutes. I've nicely condensed it into 12 seconds for you.
He's a freak. He's a fast killer. He's a fast killer.
Then I'm going to oil a mixing bowl, pop the dough in there, leave it for around 1.5 to 2 hours to rise.
1 pair of pants later.
And then we're going to dust up the bench. We're going to cut them into smaller balls, cover them, we're going to pop them in the fridge until you use them later on that same day.
Later that same evening.
Once you've pulled them out, the best technique for rolling out your pizza dough, especially this one, push out all of the air first with your fingers. You'll get little air bubbles popping up. Just prod them out to the edge. Then you're going to spread your hands apart on the dough and twist at the same time. It'll make a really good easy circle. I like to put a crust on mine, so I sort of crimp the edges, make it look a little bit like a little rope. Do that with the rest of your doughs as well.
Whoa, very nice.
Pop your pizza sauce on. There'll be a link in the corner for that and in the description. Whatever toppings you're looking for. We went for a few different varieties. One being just plain margarita, a meat lovers style, a garlic and potato one. World's your oyster. Then we had the barbecue set to around 300 degrees with a stone on there. Slid them in. It's easier if you do have an actual pizza shovel, but make do with what you've got. And it'll take around 4 minutes to cook, 4 to 5 minutes.
Bellissimo!
Thanks for watching that one, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.
Arrivederci. Arrivederci.